In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create and use the calendar app in Smartsheet so you can easily track events, deadlines, milestones, and project schedules. First, open your Smartsheet account and navigate to the sheet you want to display in a calendar format. Next, make sure your sheet contains the necessary data, including an event or task name column and at least one date column. These dates will be used to place items on the calendar. If needed, enter a few sample events and dates so you can see how the calendar displays your information. Once your data is ready, open the sheet and review the date fields to ensure they are filled in correctly. Now, switch from Grid View to Calendar View by selecting the Calendar option from the View menu at the top of the sheet. Smartsheet will automatically organize your tasks and events based on the dates in your sheet and display them on a calendar. You can click on any calendar item to view additional details, edit information, or update dates as needed. To reschedule an event, simply drag and drop it to a new date on the calendar. Smartsheet will automatically update the corresponding row in your sheet. Continue adding new tasks, deadlines, and milestones to your sheet, and they will automatically appear in the calendar view. Using the calendar makes it easier to visualize schedules, identify conflicts, track upcoming deadlines, and keep projects organized. That's it. You've successfully created and used the calendar app in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching.